Today I'm going to be making a seasonal veggie pasta recipe which makes the best use of broccoli. And I'm sure it's going to be a go-to recipe. And the recipe is broccoli pesto pasta. So let's see how. The first step for this recipe is to boil some pasta. So I have here 1.5 cups of penne pasta. You can take any pasta of your choice. The water is boiling. Add the pasta in. A tablespoon of oil, some salt. Give this a stir and let this boil for around 11 minutes. While the pasta is boiling, let's saute some vegetables. So in the pan, I'm going to heat a tablespoon of butter. The total quantity of broccoli I'm using in this pasta is around 250 grams. So into this, I'm going to saute around 1 cup of florets. I have some yellow courgette or yellow zucchini here that I've sliced. 1 carrot chopped. Half a red capsicum that I've chopped. Toss these vegetables. Just cook them for 1.5 minutes. Let's remove these vegetables in a bowl. The vegetables have been sauteed and now I'm going to make the sauce. Now the base for the sauce is also broccoli. So in a mixie jar, add in a cup of broccoli florets. As I said earlier, I'm going to use all the parts of broccoli. So this is the stalk of the broccoli. I've peeled it nicely. Now let's roughly chop it and add it in. Half a cup of basil, just a tablespoon of coriander leaves, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 2 walnuts, a teaspoon of chilli flakes, a teaspoon of oregano, 2 big pinches of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of sugar. Let's make a coarse paste out of all these ingredients. The paste is ready. As you can see, it's a coarse paste. Turn on the flame, add in some butter, add in the broccoli paste. Saute this just for 1.5 minutes. Don't cook the paste for very long, otherwise the color is going to get ruined. Just a quick saute and do it on high flame. Let's add in 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Give this a good mix. The pasta is cooked, but I'm going to use this water. So add some into the sauce to get the right consistency of the sauce. Salt to taste. Drain the pasta and add it in the sauce. Add in the vegetables, some cheese of choice. You can even add parmesan. Let's give this a final toss. As you can see, the beautiful colorful pasta. And this is done. Let's plate this. Broccoli is one of those vegetables which is a face turner for a lot of people. But if you're on a diet or intend to lose weight, this is a game changer. So do try and include this vegetable because it lowers your cholesterol, keeps you full for a very long time, and just try and make various recipes with it just like I did. So give this broccoli pasta a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.